Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on automatically play gifs when possible on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here you will find accessibility. Click on it. Now here you will find automatically play gifs when possible. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's it. That's how to turn on automatically play gifs when possible on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.